Hey everybody, welcome back to Smooth Lux.
What if I told you that there is a yacht that costs over $100 million? Have you ever heard about our sane $100 million mega yacht? If you haven't, you don't need to worry much, because in this video we will explore the freshly constructed Tatiana, a 263-foot long mega yacht. This yacht was designed with a unique aesthetic that pairs well with each other and beautiful finishing throughout, from the exterior to the interior. The current market value of this yacht is roughly 85 million euros, so we are looking forward to today's episode. Finally, I'd want to thank the shipyard and the builder of this new vessel for the honor and the opportunity to tour this magnificent new yacht and share it with all of you. Let's get started on our journey. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update. The painting has a very clean and contemporary lines on the outside. I like the two-tone color scheme, and when you compare the length of this yacht to its height, you can see that it is a relatively short yacht because it was built to be a streamlined and sporty mega yacht. I know the yacht seems fascinating from the outside, but there are so many more things that we may and will discuss. But first, I want to draw everyone's attention here to the aft deck on the main level. We have this fantastic arrangement with chrome bar chairs all the way across. The outdoor seating space looks incredibly snug, and immediately behind that is the enormous jetted jacuzzi that lies on the back of the side of this yacht. The outer sitting sections on each side appear to be inviting, and if you look closely, right in the center of the jetted jacuzzi, we have skylights providing natural light to the lower deck, which is a very unusual and cool detail that we'll be seeing later in the tour. We have great teak floors that run throughout the gorgeous stainless steel deck hardware below the deck. And over here is a staircase that connects to the bridge deck, which is directly above. Finally, we have the automatic sliding glass doors leading to the salon, which is an incredible feature of this yacht. Everything in the kitchen is stainless steel, much like in a commercial kitchen. You have the first deep sink and two Electrolux dishwashers, and in the center you have your island setup with open storage. And we have the induction cooktops, fryer oven and microwave right behind the island setup. On the side, we have extra uppercase cabinets and an induction sink, as well as a large gallery that is appropriate for this yacht. Returning to the dining room area, we have another door that leads to the long hallway that leads to the guest cabinets. We have elevator access to the deck on the left and a gorgeous stainless steel staircase on the right that leads up to the top deck, as well as the lower level. Everything, even the vertical lighting on the walls, is LED illuminated. We now have a power room, lovely manchery throughout, a bookshelf and the center, and a room with a double bed configuration. We have our television mounted on the opposite wall right on the other side. Every surface is covered in some form of beautiful material, whether it's leather wood paneling, southern LED lighting, or the soft carpet you'll be seated on if you are on the yacht. The guest stateroom features another beautiful bathroom with a double vanity arrangement. Everything is nicely crafted right down to the ceiling LED lighting, and there is a sink in the bathroom with a built-in tub setup. Again, marble may be found everywhere. Above your handheld reigns everything you need. Finally, we have another guest cabin on this property with a full bathroom. Very much the same final double bed configuration. Okay everyone, let's go to the grand staircase and take a look around. This is one of those magnificent yacht's wow moments. They had wood panels with a Megayacht gloss finish, kind of breaking that pattern. The pool is 9 meters long, 3 meters wide, and 1.6 meters deep, and the fact that you have it on your yacht is mind-boggling to me. Even the pool coping is packed with marble, and there is a mosaic inside. Another interesting fact, when you get to the yacht, the pool will be empty since the yacht contains tanks that can store the water from the pools and jacuzzis. So, you don't have to splash around in the water while it's cruising. This section of the yacht's engine room is in excellent shape. Everything is very clean, and as you can hear, it's a little loud if you're close to it since one of the generators is going, but you can get the picture. This is the engine room. On each side, there are NTU 4000 series engines capable of producing 3,400 horsepower, and these two engines propel the vessel at 19 knots, or roughly 22 miles per hour, which is just as astounding as at 12 knot speed. The engine yard uses only 250 gallons of gasoline, making the boat extremely efficient for its length and tonnage. So these appear to transfer the exhaust to some sort of processor. There's the engine, and then there's the exhaust. It transports them to the SCR catalytic converter system. The vessel can contain up to 48,000 liters of fresh water and 168 tons of fuel, and the first level on the right side opens up to some of the machinery and water tanks. Getting out of the engine room, there is a room on the lower level that is wonderfully tucked away, and it has a lovely vertical LED light detail that runs up to the ceiling. The mirrored wall on the side has a TV in the center, and this area is also featuring a techno gym set around the corner. Another pocket door leads to a stunning walk-in shower with marble inlay and a Rhino head above, as well as your dry sauna. They also have LED lighting incorporated into the ceiling and underneath the dry sauna, which is fantastic. Now, I'd like to return everyone to the hallway, and the room next door is a movie theater, which is cozy. You have a luxurious carpet on the floor and a massive screen on the wall. Everything is attractively coated with various materials, including wood panels, wall sconces, and side tables. Okay everyone, let's walk to the bridge deck. We'll start at the back of the yacht and make our way to the front of the side. We have a very large outdoor deck area with 2 seating areas towards the back of the yacht. The awnings are currently fully up on the yacht, and we have this beautiful outdoor dining space that accommodates 12 people. Everything appears to be well kept and polished. On this billion-dollar boat, all of the polished chrome features and materials are flawlessly accomplished, and there are 2 setups on the left side, one with a cooktop and the other with a sink. Another fantastic outside and complimentary entertainment space. There's a built-in setup in the center with a marble surface and a pop-up TV. On each side there are 2 sliding glass doors. I'll bring everyone here and we'll go to check out the Sky Lounge. It all starts here. The circular sitting area, built-in sitting layout, and marble tables in the center greet you as soon as you walk in. This room has a very homey feel to it, and immediately above us is a circular mirrored ceiling with recessed lights and LED mood lighting. That truly adds to the coziness of the area. On the opposite side, we have another built-in system with a pop-up TV. You have your built-in speakers, of course. Another interesting feature of this portion is that the sliding glass floors may be pulled back to make the space a little more private if desired. There is a lovely Porsche pool table, Yamaha grand piano, and an additional seating area on one side. And of course, there are large windows on this floor that let in a lot of natural light. Finally, I must address this point. Take a look at these lovely hardwood floors with the chevron pattern and the inlay at the center. The vinyl section of the Sky Lounge is the bar area, which is again encased in marble and has bar seating. And in the front, you have this rough stone ascent, and the bar has 3 fridges. And this door here leads to the little kitchen or gallery that services the Sky Lounge. You have a sink, cabinetry, and pretty much anything else you need. Now, I'd like to continue our journey. There is an elevator inside a yacht. Can you imagine that? And of course, there's the big staircase on the right. This door leads to a day head, a half bathroom stone-clad throughout, a lovely sink and vanity, and the design that provides service to the bridge deck. That is quite intriguing. We have a private office on my right with a built-in desk and some built-ins on the opposite side. I would like to compliment Unique Yacht Design and H2 on an outstanding job with the design features of this yacht. I'd also like to congratulate Belgian Yachts on the flawless execution and construction of this magnificent vessel. Their zeal and attention to detail are palpable, and it certainly shows in the yachts they built. As always, more information about this yacht and Belgian yachts may be found in the video description that concludes the tour. What an incredible yacht! Do you think the amount is worth it? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching your video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to share this video for more exciting content. Till next time, bye.